As a student, or even as a housewife, the idea of making a little extra money on the side isn't just tempting, it could actually change your life. I remember when I used to spend hours watching those make money online videos, thinking to myself, are these things even real, or is it all just hype? Because sure, it sounds amazing when someone says, earn thousands from home, but let's be honest, how practical is it, really? After a lot of trial and error, I finally discovered something important. There really are platforms that let you work part-time, right from home without needing fancy degrees or huge investments. And today, I'm going to share 5 powerful websites where students, beginners, and even homemakers can start earning right away. So let's dive in. First up, Chatdesk.com. This US-based company provides customer service for brands that don't have their own support teams. And the best part, they actually hire part-time workers globally to respond to customer chats. Here's how it works. Go to their careers page, scroll to the section called Become a Customer Support Expert, and apply. You'll just need to answer a few simple questions, like, are you detail-oriented? Are you above 18? And can you work at least 2 hours a day? If yes, you're eligible. And once your application gets approved, you can immediately start assisting customers online and get paid, all from your laptop or even your smartphone. Second, a very special opportunity from Geo, designed especially for women. Geo's Customer Associate program allows women to work flexibly, earn a steady income, and manage their schedules with complete freedom. On their website, you'll see the details clearly. Work from home, enjoy flexible hours, and earn anywhere between $120 to $300 plus a month. And the process is super simple. Step 1, register on the website. Step 2, take a short online assessment. Step 3, upload your documents for verification. Step 4, complete a quick training session. Step 5, start earning right away. Thousands of women are already part of this program, and if you're looking for something stable yet flexible, this could be the perfect fit. Next is Toloka.ai, a platform that actually pays you for simple microtasks, like labeling data, categorizing content, or tagging images to help train artificial intelligence. And here's the good part, it doesn't require any special skills. Just sign up, complete a short training, and you're ready to start. From there, you can pick tasks whenever you have free time. No fixed hours, no strict schedule, you work only when you want. And once your tasks are complete, you can withdraw your earnings instantly. It's one of the easiest options out there for anyone looking for part-time, flexible work without pressure. Fourth, we have Studypool.com, a tutoring and knowledge-sharing platform. Here, you can answer student questions, provide tutoring in subjects like math, science, or even languages, and even sell your own notes or study materials. For example, if you already have well-prepared notes, projects, or assignments, you can upload them and earn money every time someone buys them. And here's the exciting part. Tutors on Studypool can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on how active they are. It's truly a smart way to monetize your knowledge, while also helping students around the world. And finally, we have UserTesting.com, a platform that pays you to test apps, websites, and even products before they launch. Here's how simple it is. Step 1, sign up on the platform. Step 2, pick an available test. Step 3, use the website or app, record your screen, and share your honest feedback. That's it. Complete the task, submit your recording, and get paid. And the best part? Big companies all over the world use user testing to check their products. So this isn't just a side hustle. It's actually a fun and genuine way to earn, simply by sharing your opinion. So, these were 5 reliable platforms where you can start earning part-time income right from home. All the links are waiting for you in the description, so go ahead and explore them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, Wealth Journey 20S, and drop a comment if you'd like me to create a part 2 with even more opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.